Welcome, class. Today we are going to start with chapter number 8. You can do anything. In this lesson, you will be taught the value of that there is no limit to one's achievements. Have you ever thought about what you could do if you really decide to do? I am not merely talking about your skills, education, and talents. I'm talking about what is really possible for you. There is a very real possibility that you can do virtually anything. You may not be able to do it alone or without anybody's help, but with everything that is within your ultimate grasp, you can achieve anything that you set your mind to do. When a person makes a decision to bring about a certain outcome, the forces of nature and universe start the process of making it happen. Because you realize that now is the time that I want to achieve a particular thing. In that case, when you decide in your mind, you release positive vibes. And once you release those, and once you start releasing those positive vibes, you will see that the whole universe will conspire and help you in achieving that task. As long as the person persists in the belief that he or she can create the desired result, that process continues. However, when hatred, pessimism, or fear negatively influence the person, the process stops. If you somehow say that after a certain point of time, I'm not getting the desired result, but if you quit in the middle of the task, then in that way you will not be able to achieve that task. Sometimes we express a strong desire and the result occurs immediately. We call this a miracle. At times, we strive long and hard without visible progress. When the progress is not visible to us, we become discouraged and our determination shakes. We somehow start to believe in ourselves that we are not capable enough to do it. There are too many elements in the world. We cannot comprehend how all of them interact. When we do not see progress, we think that it is not there. But that is not the case. Sometimes we fail to notice minute things that are positive in nature. We fail to see them, we give up. We all must have heard about different stories of these scientists, those who used to carry on 100 times, 200 times. Some of them have even carried out the task of, say, 500 times, and they have discovered something new because every failure that they achieved made them learn a lesson. And from that lesson that you learn, you start building up yourself again and never give up. That will take you to the road of success. That is why it is said, there is nothing you cannot do. There are things that might not be worth doing, but almost anything could be done if it is backed by determination. If you have a strong willpower, no one, no force, not any single soul can stop you to do it. To do a big thing, one requires clear state of mind. Big things require optimism, clarity, confidence, and humility. Optimism is the only productive way to think. If one continues to believe that there is a way, one will ultimately find it. Clarity of focus is essential in order to navigate things in your favor. So, goal setting is essential to get things going. The clearer your focus is, the more compelling your effort becomes. So, you have the determination, you know where you want to reach, but you have to have the focus of it. Once you set your mind, once there is concentration, and you put in your hard work and determination, the rate of achievement will be 100%. Moreover, you should always be humble. The Bible states, they will be done. That should be your attitude towards work and life. This will help you to become more humble. We must move forward based on doing what the situation requires us to do. Moreover, we should try to understand the message that the situation wants us to understand. Maybe in the 10th trial you fail again, or in the 11th trial you fail. But what the situation is demanding from you, what particular message it is showing you, you should have that capability and vision to see it. While moving ahead, we sometimes find that even a better outcome is available to us through a simple change in direction. At other times, we simply learn the lessons that the situations teach us at a given point and then move ahead. We never know how valuable such lessons could later prove to be. So, decide something and then devote yourself into it with full determination and optimism. Measure your rate of achievement each day, each hour, every second. Never allow your problems to deter you or to create doubt in your mind. Observe the things that happen in the process. Try to learn from them. Do what the situation requires you to do. With the right mix of determination, focus, flexibility, and humanity, you can achieve the supposedly goals that may seem impossible to you. I hope the lesson was clear to you children. Thank you so much. Followed by this, I will upload another video where I will explain the life skill on empathy. Thank you so much children.